click on the settings here. And once you click on settings, you can click and type regional and language settings. Once you click on regional and language settings, click on additional time and regional settings. And right here, you can go ahead and select change location. Under change location, go to formats. Under formats, make sure you're selecting the right language here. If it is English United States, that's where the location, if your location is United States here, make sure you select English United States, not any other. So let me go ahead and select English United States under formats. And under location, you will have to select United States. So these two has to be matched. Let's say if you're in a different country, you will the same thing has to match. The format has to match with the location and the formats. So click on apply and then click on OK, and then try to open Windows Store. If it opens, well and good. If not, there's another step what you need to try. So you will have to open you will have to press Windows and R key on your keyboard, which will open the run command, or else in the search you can type run. In the run window, you will have to go ahead and type wsreset.exe and hit enter on the screen. Now what this will do is it will go ahead and reset your Windows Store. So once it is done, you can try launching Windows Store and see if that works. If this works, it's well and good. You don't have to try the next step. If this step doesn't work, the third step what you will have to try is you will have to open Windows PowerShell. So in the search, you will have to type PowerShell, the Windows PowerShell, right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. And if you get a prompt, if you get a user access control prompt, you will have to click on yes. Now this will open up Windows PowerShell on your computer screen. Now, in the Windows PowerShell, you will have to go ahead and type the command. What you can do is you can do a right click and click on edit and click on paste and type this command. I'm going to paste this command in this video description, and you can follow that command. So you will have to do a right click on it, edit, and then click on paste, because you will not be able to paste the command directly into Windows PowerShell. Once you have the command here, you will have to paste it here. You will have to hit enter. So what this will do is it will go ahead and try to repair your Windows PowerShell. In case if you get any error message, you don't have to worry about it. You can just ignore that error message. So let's wait to complete this command. It's almost 75. There are different multiple stages here. It's deploying the .NET framework for your on your computer to repair your Windows Store. So now what it has done is it has repaired the manifest.xml file which is associated with your Windows app. So if you scroll up, you will see that app has been registered. Now there are a couple of error message. What you look at the screen, you can ignore this error message. If it works, it's well and good. You can try closing Windows PowerShell and try launching Windows Store. It should fix the problem. In case if this doesn't fix the problem, the next thing you will have to try is the next step would be you will have to open the PowerShell again. In the search box, go ahead and type PowerShell. Right click on the Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. If you get a prompt, click on Yes. So now we have Windows PowerShell open on the computer screen. Now in the Windows PowerShell, you will have to do a right click at the top and click on Edit and paste this command in the Windows PowerShell and hit Enter. As soon as you hit enter, it will try giving unrestricted command for the Windows PowerShell. So looks like we're getting this error message. If this is successful, you can try opening a Windows Store, and that should fix the problem. In case if this doesn't work, you can try another step here. Try closing Windows PowerShell again. Go to the search and type Windows PowerShell back. Type PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator and click on Yes. And follow the same step. Do a right click at the top at the bar and click on Edit and click on Paste and try hitting enter and see if it will execute this command here. It will deploy the apps package. So this is going to take a while. Um, if this works, you can try, once it is completed, you can try opening Windows Store and see if it works. If these steps doesn't work, there's one more step, what I'm going to suggest you. Please stay tuned till the end of this video. You can ignore this error message. The execution is complete and try opening Windows Store. If this works, well and good. You don't have to follow the last step, which I'm going to suggest you. The last step would be that's a pretty simple. It's an inbuilt Windows repair tool, troubleshooting tool, which you will have to access it by going to search and type troubleshooter. Try typing troubleshoot, and this will give you the list of inbuilt Windows troubleshooter. You can scroll down a bit and look for Windows App Store and click on Run the Troubleshooter. What this will do is it will go ahead and try to repair the Windows Store by using the Windows Troubleshooter.